The division researches this app won't work for your device. Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Right now guys, if you are facing a problem while installing this game from Play Store application, it is showing this game won't work for your device. And right now you can see guys, I have successfully fixed this problem in my device. And maybe guys, you are also facing another problem, that is this application is not compatible for your device. Yes guys, both problem I will show you in this tutorial, that how you can fix this problem and how you can download this game successfully from your Play Store application. And sometime as well guys, it is not appearing and showing on the Play Store application, and it is appearing and I can easily install this. So guys, today I will show you how you can fix this problem if you are also facing a problem. So guys, let's start without any further delay. So you will see guys, whenever I will search the division resources, and it is showing this type of issue that this app won't work for your device. Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you how you can fix this problem and how you can successfully install this game from your Play Store application without any problem. So guys, let's start without any further delay. I would like to say one thing, that if you are watching my videos at first time, then please guys subscribe our channel as hit the bell icon, so that whenever I will upload any video, you will get immediately the notifications of my video. So let's start. First of all guys, in order to fix this problem, you have to go to the directly Google, tap on the Google and search the division research mobile. Okay, you will see guys, this is the, you have to type this name, the division researches, and you have to click on this and not now. Okay, you will see guys, your device is not compatible with this version. Okay, so now I will show you how you can fix this problem. Simply guys, you have to go back. In order to fix this problem, you have to connect any DNS application to your device, so that guys your problem will be fixed. So now guys, which DNS you have to install from Play Store application, and you have to install that DNS, connect that DNS to your device. Then guys, you have to try to install it, will 101% working. So simply guys, I have given a link of that application. You have to just simply install that, connect that to your device. Then guys, you have to go to the Play Store application and search this game, it will be fixed. So simply guys, from where you have to get that link which I have given. So you have to guys follow whatever I will show you now. So I have already given my Instagram ID in my description box guys, so you have to visit on there. And whenever you will visit on my profile, you will see guys, this is my official Instagram account, link in the description below. Go and check out that, and you will. So simply guys, you have to click on this arrow icon, and when you will click on that, you will see Easy Tips official website. Simply you have to install this, tap on here. Okay, Easy Tips official website, click on this, and when you will click on this, and it will show you like this type of interface. Simply scroll down and go to the at last, and at last you will get a search bar. You will see, tap on this search bar and type solve, because we want to solve problem in this game. So that's why we have to type this solve and click on the search button. And after clicking on the search bar guys, you have to wait, and you will see, scroll down, and you will see solve problem games and apps 2020-2023. Tap on this article, and once you have to click on this, cut this and scroll down, at last go. You will see fix problem, wait up to 5 seconds. Click on the click here, and once it will show you like second page, and at last you have to go and fix problem, and you have to click on the official app. Okay, and once you have to click on the official app, your application will be installed from Play Store application, and you have to connect that application to your device like DNS application. And then guys, you have to go to the Play Store application and search your game, and your game will be show and your problem will be fixed. So this is a simple method guys, you can fix this problem in this division researches game. If you are facing any problem, comment below, I will definitely reply you. Thanks for watching guys. Link in my description below of my Instagram ID. Go and check out. Thank you guys.